Guys, welcome back to Douglas's Model Garage's videos, and I'm getting ready to start this 34 Plymouth convertible and give you a little rundown on the parts. So we got the roof, the sides of the body, and the windshield and interior in the back of the body. And we got the fenders and the front of the frame where the engine will be and all that. Then we have the engine, the hood, rear end, dash, and tail lights and headlights, and front suspension. And then we got wheels, fan belts, steering wheel, and looks like a spare tire. Alright guys, I'll bring you right back then. Alright guys, well, first step here is building the engine. So I'm going to go ahead and get that started and get that ready for the paint booth. Alright, bring you right back. Alright guys, well, I got the fan belts ready to paint. Got the engine block ready to paint. And I got the manifold and air cleaner ready to paint. Alright guys, well I got the subframe for the frame set up for paint. Alright guys, and I got the interior ready here. I might put the shifters in now, but I'll let you know. Alright guys, well we got the shifter and the handbrake in there, I guess it is, in the interior, so that's ready for paint. So I got a chassis ready for paint, so it's going to be looking pretty cool. Let's see what's the next step here. Alright, we got that ready. Front suspension and rear suspension. Okay. Alright guys, well this is what I got so far. I got the front suspension, rear suspension, engine, and interior ready for paint. And I got the chassis ready. So, I'll be right back. So I got the back half of the body right here, the doors and the cowl. And I'm going to assemble that stuff, guys. Alright? Alright guys, I got the cab, doors, and back of the body together there. And I got the roof ready. See what's next here. Alright guys, well I'm getting ready to assemble the hood and grille assembly here. I also got the headlights snipped off, the steering column, dash, radiator ready to go. So far guys, I got a mock-up of the body and hood fitting, and it actually looks like it's gonna fit pretty good there. So I'll come back when I have some more for you guys. Alright, bye. And I got all the stuff ready to be painted, and now it's time to pick a color out for this. Alright guys, well I got my colors picked out. I'm going to do red for the body, black for the wheels, and I got to do the what do you call it? The rims too. I just remembered. Then desert yellow for the interior, and I'm going to use a khaki for the top. So it's going to look pretty good, and I'll bring you back when I get more stuff painted on it. Alright. Guys, welcome back to Douglas's Model Garage videos. I'm getting ready to do the black primer paint on the radiator here and other parts on this. So I'll bring you right back after they're all painted. Alright. Hey guys, well I got the flat black on the flat black parts I want to do so far. I'm gonna hit them. I'm gonna hit them with a semi-gloss black now, and go from there. So, and this is the color I'll be using right here. I also got the front suspension here. And show you what else I got right here painted. I got the dash done in that desert yellow. Wheels first coat. I'm going to hand detail the rest of them. Otherwise than that, then I'll just put a clear on that. Then for the spare, the same thing. Got the roof done in desert tan. And I got the interior done in desert tan. So everything's going to look cool. I have to wait a little bit because I sprayed the interior of the body in that desert tan, like I was saying. And then once that's completely dry, I can start doing the red on there. So I will bring you back after I get done spraying this. Alright guys, well I'm getting ready to put the primer red on the body. And got the semi-gloss black on the fender so far. And semi-gloss on all these parts. So, I'll bring you right back once I get the red paint on here. Alright. Alright guys, well I got the, so far the first coat of the red paint on the red parts that I want to do. And only thing left to paint is the engine. And engine parts themselves. So I'm going to stop right here, and I will get back with you once I get some other stuff painted. All right.